I'm at the Foot Locker outlet out in East LA, and they got some big changes. Starting today, they got 50% off almost every sneaker here, as well as all the apparel. Even have a lot of physical changes. The women's used to be over here, now they got socks and accessories. And the women's section is in the back here now. 50% off almost every sneaker. We got plenty to look at. Let's look around. And 50% off. Sizing is definitely going to be an issue because look at this, $40. $40 for Vomero 5s. They got multiple colorways, $40 effing dollars. $25 for freaking Cortez. They got a couple different flavors. These Shocks TLs, holy crap, $45. 55 for the GT, these are the GT Hustles, right? GT Hustle 3s. And my favorite Jordans right here. Man, look at that, 45 effing dollars. Raised down to 30 freaking bucks. We still got these. Don't have that many sizes though, dang it. They don't have that many sizes. I think 16 and a 6. Eric just checked. Eric's one of my subscribers. He just happened to ask one of the employees, look at this, 25 bucks. That's cheaper than what I got mine for. And I got 11 and a half for one of my workers, dang it. $40 for these. So apparently these and then the Nerfs, those are the only exceptions to the 50 off. Then the Tech Fleece, they do have some Tech Fleece in the back. We'll talk about that, but yeah, the Tech Fleece, no 50% off of there. I see resellers here, I see regular customers here already. All kinds of, they just opened like 30 minutes ago. I gotta be quick because there is a reseller here and he's picking up all kinds of stuff already. Got 990s here for $55. I think that's cheaper than the New Balance outlet. 2002 Rs. These 990s right here. I think the New Balance outlet had these for 100 and something. So definitely cheaper. Also got those 2002 Rs for $35. Puma Romas for 15. Moas for 20. Holy cow. These are the budget Project Rock. But Project Rock here for freaking 25 bucks. Glycerins, $40. These are some serious runners. Adrenalines as well, and Ghost, all 50% off. And this deal also includes all their apparel, most of their apparel other than Tech Fleece. So Jordan shirts, 15 bucks. Nike shirts, 15 bucks. Wait, hold on, yeah, that's supposed to go over here. But yeah, Nike shirts, $15. Is this the Chargers? Yeah, Chargers. Hoodies, freaking 10 bucks. Are you serious? Cowboys hoodie, 15. New Balance hoodies, 70 down to 15 bucks. Is this the Texas Rangers? Oh yeah, we did see that one. We saw this a few weeks ago. But yeah, $20. Nike fleece jackets, 25. New Balance, holy cow, holy cow. Appreciate Eric, appreciate you, brother. We've been talking for quite some time about some of his sneaker finds and my sneaker finds and all that type of stuff. All right, let's go back to the Nike section over here. This is the Nike men's. The Jordan 39s. 39s, right? Yeah, 39s right here. $55 for Jordan 39. Sizing definitely going to be an issue, especially with all the resellers that are here. If y'all are resellers, that's all good. But I'm just being honest. It does get cleared out. I think one of the resellers is asking about sizes for all those shoes right there. That reseller that I showed you earlier. Yeah, that's definitely the cheapest. We've seen those right there, 55 bucks. I needed more hoop sneakers. I would definitely be picking up all kinds of stuff. $50 for pennies, 35 for Air Max 90s. Forces going for $35, including those right there. Y'all better freaking hurry because this place will get cleared out. That is what used to happen when it was 50% off back in the day. The Lunar Roams, if that's what you're into, Air Max 1s. There was another Vomero earlier, but that got taken. But yeah, they got plenty of stuff, you guys, plenty of stuff. That's just the Nike section. The Jordan stuff, they got the 2.3s, they got a few of those, RMs. The Stadium 90s right here. Got the Harden Volume 7, Volume 8s right here. Kai 1s, couple different flavors. These are the Kai 1 lows, is that the low? I don't know. Yeah, $30. LeBron's. This place is the busiest I've seen this place in a while. And it's Sunday morning, to be honest. I'm kind of surprised so busy. $50 for these Crocs right here. These platform ones, 50% off. It looks like retail. It looks like all these are 50% off. These used to be cheap as hell. These went back up, it looks like, but 50% off all the Crocs here. They got the Pokemon ones right here. And these are all going for, I always think that's Kirby, but yeah, they got these going for what, 50 off retail, I guess. All right, let's go check out the women's section, then we'll finish off the men's. Women's starts right there, goes right there. Air Max DN8s might be the cheapest we've seen them, $50 and $55. Vomeros right here for 40 for the 270s right there, as well as what, 65 for those. Then y'all gonna have to bring your calculator. This should be easy enough for y'all to be able to do math in your head. 30 for all of these dunks right here, 35 for those. A Jordan 1, those as well as these OGs, I'll go for 35. The Elements right there got 1 highs, and the SL72, the Ross Specials, got 3 of those. Air Max ones right there. These Pegasus right here. Our specials. We got women's 2002 Rs right here. Both of these colors are pretty freaking dope. But yeah, got these for 50, 35 for those. I'll push these video up. I'm gonna do a short in a few minutes, but I'll push the video up so many of you guys can get the deals, because I have a feeling it's gonna get cleared out within a couple days by some of the resellers. Like I said, I don't blame y'all for doing it, but you know, as a collector, it makes it hard for me. So I do have to try to help some fellow collectors. Y'all get the info, whatever. 480s right here, 1000s right here. I don't know if you guys can hear the background music. This is a remix with the NBA song. That is hilarious. Never heard that. They got the Hokas right here. Man, that's the cheapest. You'll see the Hokas. Incons right here, 55. These are the Clifton 9s or the 10s? Clifton 9s. Yeah, 75 bucks, man. Cheaper than Ross. All right, let's go through the Adidas section in the men's. 4s for 20 bucks. Comes with the fat laces. I kind of like those. This one also with the fat laces. This one's regular price, 50 off. Still not bad. And we got 2 more go for 25. Sambas right here go for 25. Superstar, that's like a suede one right here, 25 bucks. Sambas, $30 each. Gazelles, more Gazelles. This one's kind of cool. But yeah, all these go for 50 off what it shows. Got a ton of the Ross Specials, the SL72s. I think I showed those Samoas earlier. Got them in multiple colorways, as well as this one that was on the floor. I think a ghost hit it because nobody was around that when it fell. Look at this, Under Armours for $20. I don't know what the hell these are. Under Armour Summits, never heard of them, for 20 freaking dollars. They got them in multiple colorways. And they got these right here. Oh, there's some Lacoste that nobody's really looking at. Also got Vans, and more Vans. This one's pretty clean. For 20 bucks a piece. Middle of the store, it used to be all tables. Now they got all apparel. I was like, damn, that sucks for the workers, because I know they've been busy as hell. Includes Nike products and stuff right here. 50% off retail? Is there a sign? Look, $20 and then 50% off the top. So $10 for these swimmings. Yeah, all these swimming trunks right here. A lot of them are Nike. I think this is women's shorts right here. Women's shorts, all going for $10 and then 50 off on top. Yeah, these are all women's shorts, fleece. It's Cozy brand. There's a couple Nike things, but yeah, all on sale. Is that even a dress? Dress? Yeah, no way. 35 down to $5. Don't know if I mentioned the sale just started today. Just started like an hour ago. I happened to be here and this is a brand new sale. Look at all this stuff going for $14.99 plus 50 off. So $7.50 for all this stuff right here. Baggy sweats, fleece pants, New Balance shirts, looking like a Tennessee Volunteers. Color right there. All kinds of other shorts right here going for $7.50. T-shirts for $5. These are down to $2.50. $2.50. This Foot Locker brand, $2.50. I think these are swimming trunks. Yeah, swimming trunks for $2.50. Are you serious? Crazy. And then back here they have all kinds of accessories, including socks, as well as tote bags and stuff like that, and duffel bags. Like this retails for like $90 and it's going for 25 bucks. 25 bucks. This is a Nike bag right here. Mine says Air Force One, but I don't know, it's weird. Mine says Air Force One. This duffel bag right here, I wish I got mine here because I think I got it at Ross, so I didn't pay full price, but still. These are going for 65. These are hella nice. Normally 125, so that's what, 62.50. They got the Adidas ones right here going for $20. $20. That's 15 right there, and that one's 20 as well. And then an entire wall of socks. Look at this. The Foot Locker, and I told you Foot Locker brand, they got really good socks. 3 pairs for $250. $250, and this is like the performance ones, not just the regular ones. Because these are the regular ones right here, the budget ones. 15, so $750 for 6 pairs. They even got the performance ones right here. The performance one, I just don't like all that blue and stuff on it, but it got a little padding on the back and everything. These are freaking hella nice. Some are marked 5, some are marked 10. It's kind of weird. More are marked 5, so I would assume 5. Got the black ones right here with that little touch of, what was that, mint color or something? Squunchy socks, or squunchy socks making a comeback. I don't know, but they got Adidas as well. $10 for a pack of 6, but I think it's supposed to be 10. I don't know. Is this kids? Is that kids? I don't know. They're both the same. Maybe it's different colors. I don't know. But $5 and $10. Just ask the workers. They'll scan stuff for you. $7.50 for Jordan socks. Right here, these are for 3 pairs for all these. Checking on some of the apparel again. This is the Detroit Lions. Detroit Lions hoodie right here. This one's kind of huge. It's kind of huge, but $100 down to $40. This is New Era brand. I think they got multiple sizes. I don't know. They got a few of them. Oh, the LeBron jackets right here. LeBron jackets, $20. 20 freaking dollars. $135 down to 20 bucks. Holy crap. They got the matching pants. These look huge though. They look freaking huge. They got black ones. They're XL, double XL. The Nike Fleece for 25. That's just crazy. They got Adidas pants right here. Those of you guys that like the Adidas outfits. I see double XL, 90. And yeah, it shows yeah, these show 20, so $10 a piece for those. Holy crap. The solid stripes throughout the entire thing, those go down to 30. We got Fleece right here. I bet you they're marked down, and then 50 on top. So just make sure you ask. I feel like all their apparel was already reduced. The Mamba ones, does that mean these go down to 30? Really? They got multiple colorways. Holy crap. I just see a bunch of smalls though. Do I have to grab one for $30? 30 bucks? I don't like that color though, because it's gonna get dirty in like 10 minutes. And then right here, she said not the tech fleece. I'm assuming the tech pack as well, because there's a bunch of, well, not a bunch, there's a few tech pack things right here, so I don't think these are included, but $60 still very reasonable, because these retail for like $130, $140, $145, and they're going for $60. They also have a kids Foot Locker here as well. And this is the grade school section right here. 50% off everything. You see that sign up top. So if you got kids or your girl wears grade school, grab all these for freaking 50% off. These are 9060s. These are the 2002 Rs for 40. Got a couple different colors. Got Dunks right here for 25 bucks. 25 bucks for Dunks. Foams for $40. Get some Vomeros for 30 freaking bucks. 50 for those. 50 for those. Steph Curry. These are the 12. I think the last iteration. For 25 bucks. Really? Kobe's for 30. Really? $25 for those. Jordans right here for 30 freaking bucks. Got some generic. What are the generic ones right there? Those are the Pro Strongs, right? Pro Strongs, Lows. I don't know what the hell this is. Some sort of Fly Ease. Got 2 of the Kais going for 25. Got Gazelles, Campuses. I don't know what the hell those are. Got some Tatums for 25 bucks. Campuses right there. Sambas. All kinds of Sambas. More campuses down there. The Ross specials. And then a bunch of Converse. Going for cheap. And if you need apparel, kids apparel, this is the spot. $5 for shorts for kids. T-shirts over here for $10. Some of these are freaking entire outfits for $10. Jordan outfit, normally freaking $44 down to $10. Hoodies and jackets here. Look at this, Jordan jackets for $10. More so on this side, $10, which means 5, right? $5 for more Puma stuff down here. Got $5 T-shirts, Nike, New Balance, man. They also have Crocs. The Crocs weren't the best deals, but 50% off retail is dope. I'm not gonna lie, I'm checking the men's section one more time to see if I missed on anything. And make sure you guys hurry, because look at all the blanks. That's just one reseller who did clean up. So make sure you guys come quick, man. It's crazy. Big changes here at the Foot Locker outlet. 50% off almost everything is back. That does include all the sneakers. You're gonna find Vomeros for freaking $40. Multiple colorways. GT Hustles for $55. As well as my favorite basketball sneaker right here. Jordan 38. Full length Zoom, $45. You even get 990s for $55. And this even includes apparel, such as these Mamba hoodies right here. They only have smalls, unfortunately. They got $30. $30, normally $125. And they do got them in multiple colorways. Very few exceptions, I believe Tech Fleece and like one pair of Jordan, but plenty stuff on sale. Got a full video coming. Cool Kids YouTube channel, make sure you guys check it out.